She's definitely bigger than the other one.
Yeah, she is.
Well, if we've invited crows back to her.
Yeah.
There's at least 3 of them up there.
Yeah. I don't mind crows. Unless they're pulling apart your rubbish bin, then I hate them.
No, you're missing a piece. Go feed the foliage. Don't go tap. They missed a piece altogether.
Yeah.